Well, I turned it off there for a little while because I was going to try to make some room on the camera phone while I was doing that. Stronger lightning came in. Ooh, there's the backyard. Just think it's not even summer yet. I wonder what kind of summer we're going to have. How many thunderstorms, how many severe thunderstorms, how many tornado watches and warnings. Wow. I don't like that. I don't like bad weather. I just don't. This strobe lightning is just not letting up. Woo. You stay where you are, Tope. Holy shit. Oops. Don't even think about going out there, Toby. Well, at least I was able to get the grilling in tonight. Didn't think I was going to be able to do it because of the storms that were forecasted, but they held off. Look at this, it's going to eat that crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit. Hairs on my arm. Oh my God, it scared the shit out of me. It just scared the shit out of me. Oh my God. Oh my hair. My eyes. Oh my God, I had the door open. I'm like, oh my God. Filming this all this time and that happened. My heart's right now on my chest. I think Toby's scared. Oh my God, my heart. I don't know if you were able to hear it on this video, but that thunderclap set off somebody's car alarm. Oh my gosh. Shh. Shh. It's okay. Holy crap.
It's okay.
Well, I didn't think we were going to get that strong of a lightning show to videotape.
A lightning show to show.
Oh my god, my hair on my arms.
Toby.
Some crazy shit.
He's scared.
Shh. Toby. Shh. It's alright. Holy crap. That was like right out there.
That hurt bad. Toby. It's okay.
Shh. Come on. No, you are not going out there right now, son.
He's like, wow, I had to get scared.
There's Toby. You are not going outside. Shh. Wow. Well, here we go. Takes a lot to get me to scream. That made me scream. That's whew. Holy. I was nodding out before, but I'm wide awake now. I'm not wide awake, I'm so tired. Fabiana, you need to get into bed. Oh God, you're sure putting on quite a show. Listen to that rain. It's the same storm that's coming up from Tennessee and Kentucky. Yeah, I guess it was due to the torrential downpours that at least 10 people were, at least 10 people, as the last I knew, were killed down there. Yeah, I know, I'm crazy. Put my hand out here. Hold it onto metal. My God. Yes, I'm stupid. I know. It's our first year down here. Finishing up, setting up the tent for the girls. And we were outside of the tent, and all of a sudden a crackle came down right above our heads. I mean, we were able to see it and we heard it. And, oh yeah, scared the crap out of me. I hope I'm able to put this onto the computer so I can upload it. Well, shutting it down. 3, 2, 1.